Also, he took the black. So Prophet is being seen by black, as long as you don't put it all the time, so people think this is sunnah. When can you put the black in a particular occasion, and that is allowed? Can anybody tell me? I'll tell you one bid'ah. When the people go to the condolences, they put black. Every time there's a condolences, I choose my white clothes to teach the people that there is no black. Wallahi, when I go to bury the graves, I choose the white. So I always like the white, but I put this clothes sometimes. But in the condolences, I would like to choose the white, so the people know that's a sunnah. Because people think, how dare you come with the white clothes on the death of my deceased? You are what, celebrating the death? No, I'm not. I'm celebrating the sunnah of the Prophet. This is the sunnah of the Prophet of Allah. It's white. But the dark clothes or the black clothes, those people who are from the Muslims, when they go and bury somebody or they are in condolences, they put what? The black. And that's a bid'ah, to show that they are in mourning mood or mode. But when is it a particular color is the black is allowed?
For the widow.
For the widow. Well done. Prophet ﷺ, he said to Asma when her husband died, the wife of Zubayr, he said to her, Tasallabi. Not Zubayr, not Asma, sorry, not Asma, but it's not. I think Asma bint Yazid, when her husband, maybe Ja'far ibn Abi Talib radiallahu anhu, he died. He was killed in the battle because Zubayr, he died after the Prophet ﷺ. He said to her, Tasallabi thalathan. Tasallabi means put the black dress for 3 days. Maybe some people didn't know about the sunnah. So the widow for 3 days, that to show that she is a widow, not the mother, not the sister, not anybody except for the wife. 3 days. Tasallabi thalathan. Put the black for 3 days. Type 788, please.